Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to be shucking this Western Digital Elements 20 terabyte hard disk drive. I'm not sure what's inside it, but I'm going to be putting it inside of a NAS, so I hope it's a good one. The product number is WDBWLG0200HBK-NESN. And I don't really know how to get into this. I don't see any screw holes, so I'm just going to kind of do it live. Just going to use a spudger. There we go. Well, that was pretty easy so far. Looks like inside of here we have a WD200EDGZ. Cool. Alright, looks like it just kind of slides out once I free up these ports. There shouldn't be anything keeping it in. Just kind of push it out by the rubber. Hope I don't break anything. Okay, so far so good. Take out this little fiber optic piece here. Alright, it's a drive. Take off these rubber things, vibration dampers. It looks like the USB to SATA adapter is screwed on. So just two screws there. Oop, bye-bye screw. And take this off. Alright, that's it. It's a bare drive now. Thanks for watching.